Hello, and this is the Taco Tuesday early bird video. Probably not gonna play the whole admin itself. Trust me, you do not want to miss this. I think. So yeah. So yeah. Just waiting for it to start. 1 minute left. Sorry for the noises. Just my friends and my dog. 40 seconds left. Hopefully you guys are lucky in this views. Please like and subscribe and thank you for watching my shorts recently. What do you think of this steal by the WRL? It's not good. It's not that much of a good steal. It's not a bad one either, that's for sure. Not bad at all. It has good chances in the future. I know that. He needs to get a Capitan Golini. And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hopefully Sammy is not late. Oh wow, rain event. Congratulations, it's a wet event. Okay, that kinda sucks. Where's Sammy? Oh, I cannot miss this. I cannot miss this 10x look. Well, I guess I'll have to. I'm kind of busy. So, yeah. Where on earth is Sammy? What on earth? Where is Sammy? Where in the goddamn world is Sammy? Sorry if it's boring, I understand. It's just because Sammy's not spawning it. Where's the early bird? If you were here on time once, it doesn't mean you're excused for the rest of your life. Wow, Brandakshini Benini spawned. We're literally jumping on top. And where is he? Jump, jump. Nah, this is crazy. He's way too late. Sorry for the noises again. Yeah, definitely Sammy. It's gonna be super late for this early bird. If you want to, guys, I can trade. Just write in the comments what you got and offer me because I suck at offering. And I don't like offering either. Again, where's Sammy? Nobody knows. He's for sure late. That is annoying. That is annoying to me too. Won't you just come? You're 3 minutes late already. It's crazy. Sammy. And it didn't even start somehow. Man, kinda bored. 4 minutes late. Swear if Sammy lied. I don't really play that many Taco Tuesdays, so it's the early bird in Taco Tuesdays. I really don't know. Again, I know it's kind of boring, but trust me, it's boring to me too. And my friend who plays Taco Tuesdays, I saw him online, and he wasn't there. And he was in SAB, but he plays sometimes way more than me. So I guess there should be. But what shouldn't happen is Sam being 5 minutes late. Is bro watching football? Sammy. And Sammy, this is ridiculous. Oh, I swear, this is so ridiculous. This is ridiculous as hell. Sammy, join. It's not half time anymore. I guess there is no early bird in Taco Tuesday. See, my friend is online. He just left. Where is the early bird? Oh, I waited. I waited long enough. Let's go. What is she gonna do? 10 o'clock. Bam. Spawn his base. Come on. Something good. The lucky block. You know our guy. Okay, he's doing events. Okay, not bad. Sadly, no secret lucky block. But it's fine. Secret lucky block gold. Get mutations, please. Get some mutations. Nah, you're late so badly, Sam. Yes! Spider's going for the lucky block. No. Yeah. The secret lucky block did not want to get traded, did it? Yeah, I got you. Oh, Phantom! I did not see this. Quickly grab this and steal it. Need to steal this. Have to. It's Phantom. It's not bad. I mean, it's not that good, but it's not that bad. 3 minutes of 10 o'clock. I'm gonna stay for it. Write in the comments if you got good loot from the Taco Tuesday early. Okay, let's see. Probably nothing good. I'm gonna get from these lucky ones. I'm gonna get something worth of using. I'm definitely nothing. It does not wanna. I'm gonna walk into Phantom list of blocks. Sold on the spot. Oh look. Then 2 minutes of 10 o'clock. gonna score for now. This is the way you just hit it when the rainbow jump. See, so far. Um, the same, almost. Again, far this is. Okay, this is far enough. Almost. Goal! Yeah, I scored. Can something that's one now and give the tree? On that strong pork, La Grande headless, another headless gas 666, another La Grande. Come on, 1 minute. I got a movie from early bird called Traded for 730 minutes. And 250 million spin. Come on. Right, I'll up from those 10x look. Okay, now it's gonna hit quick, quick, shoot, goal. For the last 40 seconds of 10 o'clock. The goal seeker looking like waiting. Come on. 14 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that's brain rhyme. Okay, guys. Probably not, but I might do some chocolate juice. Bye.